Good afternoon, children. Let's start with our today's topic. But before we start with our today's topic, let us recall what we studied in our previous class. In the previous class, we learned about four-digit number. In that, we have seen that four-digit number 1000 is the smallest four-digit number, and 9999 is the biggest four-digit number. In this, we write unit, tens, hundred, and for thousand we used to write TH. Correct? Same way here, U for units, T for tens, H for hundred, and TH for thousand. After 9999 starts the five-digit number. In five-digit number, the smallest number, that is the number which comes after 9999 is 10000. If you have seen here in thousand there are three zeros. In 10,000 there are four zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four zeros. And here we put a comma after 10. Now this is the smallest 10,000 number, five-digit number, and 9999. This is the biggest five-digit number. Now children, how to write this? Therefore, you will write same way like this. For last number, you write units, U, then tens, then the hundred, then we have thousand, and for this number, for this one, we will write TTH. That is 10,000. This is called as 10,000. Once again, I am showing you U for units, T for tens, H for hundred, and we already know for thousand we write this, and this place value, this number comes in the place of 10,000. That is TTH. The TTH stands for 10,000. Understood, children? So your five-digit number comes in the 10,000, that is five digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five digits. The smallest number is 10,000 and the biggest is 99, that is 99,999. Now children, let us see how to read and write this five-digit number. Suppose you are having the number 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Now you know that when we read the number, suppose if you are not having these two and you are having only 3, 7, 8, 9. How do we read it? 3,789. This 89. These two numbers are read together. This number is read single. And then 3, like 3,789. Now suppose you are having five-digit number. In five-digit number, what will happen? These first two numbers are read together. Then we read this number and then this number. That means suppose you have to read this number. So what will write here? 23. What will be? 23,000. Did you understand? 23,000. Okay. Then will come 700. 700. And the last two numbers, that is 89, will come together. That is 89. 89. So keep in mind, children, when we are reading or writing the five-digit number, the first two numbers will come together. Then will come the third number, and then the last two numbers will come together. First two numbers when you write it 1000. Third number you will write 100, and the last two numbers we will write the way we read it, 89, 59, 05, whatever it is. Children, as we have seen in the explanation of four-digit number, that 1000 is the smallest four-digit number and 9999 is the biggest four-digit number, that is 9999. Now today's topic is five-digit number. In the four-digit number, 1000, that is 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. Okay, we write on that U for units, T for tens, H for hundreds, and TH for thousand. Now in five-digit number, the smallest number is 1000, that is 10,000. It is written as 10,000. 0 0 0 0. And for unit we write U. For tens we write T. For hundreds we write H. For thousand we write TH. And for number 1 that will write TTH, that is 10,000. This one 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Now page number 11, question number 1. Let us do the first question. Let us start the exercise. This question we have to write in your math notebook. The first number is 40,000, that is 4000. Now question number 2, 50,050, that is 50050. Let us see question number 3. It is 20,313. It is written as 20313. Now see the fourth question, 45,003. It is written as 45003. Let's see fifth question, 23,105. It is written as 23105. And the last question, question number 6 is 68,005. That is 68005. Children, this question you have to write down in your math notebook. Now let us see question number 2. Read the numbers and write them in words. The first one is 52045. That is 52,045. Now see the second question, 23409. That is 23,409. Now see the third question, 45600. That is 45,600. Now see the fourth question, it is 41000. That is 41,000. The fifth question is 99999. That is 99,999. And the last question, that is question number 6, is 95768. It will be written as 95,768. This question number 2 also you have to write down in your math notebook neatly, leaving one line in a good handwriting you have to write in your math notebook. Now children, let us go to our question number 3. On the number slate alongside, write 5 numbers by changing the digits in the units, tens, 100, thousands and 10,000 places one at a time. Now read the numbers. What are the numbers given here? 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. We have to change these numbers one at a time and make 5-digit numbers. 5. You have to make 5 numbers of 5-digit number. So let us make the first one. The first one will be 3241. That is 32,411. Second one, 43112. That is 43,112. Third one, that is 11234. That is 11,234. Fourth one, 23,141. That is 23,141. And the last one is 13,412. Children, this question also you have to write down in your math notebook. Now let us go to question number 4. Question number 4 is, using each of the digits 95618 only once, write 6 5-digit numbers. You have to make 6 5-digit numbers using the digits given here. Now let us do the first one. Children, we have to use the digits only once. The first number is 59618. That is 59,618. Second one is 95681. That is 95,681. The third number is 68591. That is 68,591. Let's see the fourth number. Fourth number is 56918. That is 56,918. The fifth number is 96518. That is 96,518. And the last number is 89651. That is 89,651. Now children, let us see the fifth question. Write the biggest number that can be made using the digit 15647. We have to make a biggest number. To write the biggest number, we have to start with the big number and then go down to the small number. Now let us see what is the biggest number. Which is the biggest number from 15647? Can you tell me, children, which is the biggest number? Yeah, the biggest number will be 7. Correct, children. After that, which number will come? 6. Very good. Then comes 5. After 5 will come 4 and the last number will be 1. So the biggest number is 76,541. Now, children, let us see the question number 6. Question number 6 is write two numbers by writing the digits 4, 3, 9, 8, 7 in the ascending and descending order. Now, children, for ascending order, we'll first write the ascending order in digits, only the digits. When writing ascending order, we have to start with the small number. Now, which is the smallest number in the digits given above? Can you tell me? Yeah, very good. 3 is the smallest number. So, first we'll start with 3. After 3 will come 4. After 4 will come 7. Very good. After 7, 8. And the last will be 9. Yeah, children, after 8, then will come 9. And the number will be 34,789. Now let us see descending order of the digits. In the descending order of the digits, you have to start with the biggest number. So which is the biggest number? Correct, 9. Then which number will come? 8. After 8, 7. Very good. After 7, 4. Very good, children. And after 4 will come, last number will be 3. Children, this also you have to write down in your math notebook. The number will be 98,743. So this. Children, now let us do question number 7 from the textbook, page number 11. Keeping 7 in the units place, use all the digits 6, 0, 7, 5, 4 to make 5 numbers. We have to make how many numbers? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers we have to make. Now what they have told is when you are making these 5 numbers in the last, that is in the units place, you will be writing, you will keep 7, keeping 7. That means in the unit place in all these 5 numbers, there should be 7. Did you understand? In the unit place, which number should be there? 7. After that, the number which are left is 6054. That 605 you have to change and make 5 numbers. Did you understand? Suppose now if you have to make the first number, we can write here 6, 0, comma, 5, 4 and 7. That is 60,547. Second number you can make 5, 50. That's 5064. 50,647. The next number we can make 4, 6, 5, 0. 46,507. Fourth number, again you can write 6 here in the hundreds place and 5, 4, 0. Did you understand? The next, keep in mind we cannot write 0 in the starting. If you write 0 in the starting, it will not be 5-digit number, it will be 4-digit number. Let us make one more number, 4, 0, 6, 5. That is 40,657. What they have told us is write 7 in the units place. And after that, the remaining numbers you have to change and write. Don't write 0 at the beginning. Children, now let's do question number 8. Write 5 numbers, keeping the smallest of 49351 in the units place. Now here they have told us the smallest number from this number, that is 49351, should be in the units place. That is in the last digit should be 1. In the last place, in the units place, you should have the number 1. Did you understand? And how many numbers they have to ask to make? They have asked us to make again 5 numbers. How many numbers? 5. So first they have told us to write the smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 1. So we are writing the smallest number in the units place. After that, which numbers are remaining there? 4, 9, 3, 5. That 4, 9, 3, 5, we have to interchange and make 5 numbers. Now let's begin. Which number we should write? Okay, come on, let's start with 9. Okay, 4, 5, 3. That is 94,531. Now tell me the second number. Okay, 35. That is 3, 5, 4, 9. That is 35,491. Next, let us keep here 4. Then write here 9, 3, 5. That is 49,351. Come on now. Tell me next number. What should I write? Let us write here 9. Then 5, 3, 4. That is 95,341. And the last number, what should we write first? Let us write 5 first. 5, 9, 4, 3. That is 59,431. Understood, children? Now this question number 7 and question number 8. Both you are going to write in your math notebook. Understood, everybody? This question number 7 and question number 8. Both the questions you have to write down in your math notebook.